had something to do with, limits, deriving. I just can't figure this out.
Now that's not a very good attitude. I spent 7 years working around my math problem. You probably tried for 7 minutes.
What? Could it be?
Yes, JD. It is I, the spirit of Andrew Wiles. I wrote the proof of Fermat's last theorem.
Well, can you help me?
You don't need my help, JD. You see, you can divide by 0. You can show them what they don't know. Don't just give up now. Hard work's what math is all about. I spent my life chasing the dream, prove what the world has never seen. I get it right, wrong, right again. My life was Fermat's last theorem. No number over 2 equals n could satisfy the equation. A to the n plus b to the n equals c to the n. You can divide by 0. You can show them what they don't know. I could not give in 150 pages for the win. Conjecture on elliptic curves plus help from my fellow math nerds was all I needed. I just had to learn to open up my mind. What you seem to have forgotten, JD, is that you are not alone in your mathematical quest. I used to work in knowledge of other mathematicians. So must you. Use the people around you for help.
JD! I've got something!
Now I must leave you, JD. It is your time now to change the world forever.
But Andrew Wiles, wait a second. You're not a spirit. You live in New Jersey. You teach at Princeton. What's going on here?
Bye, JD. Goodbye.
JD, you'll never guess what I found.
What? It wasn't Andrew Wiles, was it?
No, it was... Who?
Never mind. What have you found?
Oh, well, I broke into my mom's old calculus filing cabinet using this oversized flower-shaped lime green pool noodle, and I found this calculus book. See, here, look at this number. If you can make any sense of this problem, I think you'll find the answer you've been looking for your whole life.
I got it.
What have you got?
It all comes back to limits and, simple derivatives.
I know what a limit is, but what's a derivative?
Well, maybe this'll help. One day you might be looking for a few critical points, finding absolute extrema or rate of change using a point on the graph to find the answer. Take the slope of a tangent line at the point that you're given, and you've derived for a function at a point x. Derivatives are given by the slope of a secant line as delta x approaches the point, provided that the limit exists.
I understand now. That's amazing. I love calculus.
Come on, let's go to the town meeting.
Paisley Flakes, where in the math hell have you been? I'm with this hooligan.
Please, Dad, you have to hear him out. You can't live in fear and denial anymore. It's tearing our family apart. I know you hate calculus, but I'm learning a little, bit by bit, and I love it. And Mom loves it too.
Watch your tone, young lady.
JD, say something.
We dare, mathematician, we dare. Though there are and always will be unsolved problems, like the Riemann hypothesis that killed your wife. The subject of calculus deserves a chance.
Yeah.
Its applications are almost limitless. Math. When I first moved to town, you got up in my face, insulting calculus and trying to put me in my place.
I love it.
But I've discovered something new that you don't know. How not to go to mathematical divided by zero. I'll take limits. Sometimes they're infinite. Or I'll derive if that's what I feel like.
You divide, you can divide by zero. Now you can't teach anybody.
You divide, you can divide by zero. Calculus for everybody. Math. When you take a limit according to L'Hopital's rule, you're dividing by zero the function goes into. But it won't ever cross the axis on the graph. You'll travel for infinity, and that's a fancy it. What? I'll take limits. Sometimes they're infinite.
What?
Or I'll derive if that's what I feel like.
You divide, you can divide by zero. Now you can't teach anybody.
You divide, you can divide by zero. Calculus for everybody. Math. Math.
I can understand these numbers if you let me. Don't be tripping, it's still your daughter. I'm just learning so much math can't stop my mind from ticking. Just like a constant in a function. Take your derivative, you vanish. You gotta challenge like a variable, or it's all gonna be gone.
Say, girl. Calculus for everybody. You divide, you can divide by zero. Calculus for everybody. You divide, you can divide by zero. Calculus for everybody. Andrew Wiles, what are you doing here?
Bye, JD.
What?
You are my light in the dark. You are the being in my heart. But that is not enough. Will I ever be by your side? Your hair is dancing in the wind. Your eyes are burning on my skin. And I'm so happy when I see that you are smiling back at me. You're leaving burn marks on the ground. Thank you, God, for what I found. I don't know how.
Andrew Wiles, are you here to help us with our love life?
Yes.
You are my light in the dark. You are the being in my heart. Let me hold you now, just like days before you start to cry. You are my light in the dark.
For everybody.
You divide by zero. Finn?
Done?
Andrew Wiles, what are you doing here?
Oh, crap.
Yeah, I was wondering that.
Calvin,
I
Mark.
was like, what? Okay.
It's like Andrew Wiles.
Just do it. Just do it again. Just do it again right now.
Ready and pretend you just ended the song. Ready and action.